Hello. In this presentation, we'll be talking about the aflatoxin. An aflatoxin, it is a type of toxin produced by certain mold species, particularly the Aspergillus flavus and the Aspergillus parasiticus. So these mods they usually grow on various crops. Crops like the nuts, for example, the peanuts, the walnuts, then even on seeds such as the corn seeds, the cotton seeds, and the sunflower. Then even on grains like maize, rice, wheat, and sorghum. Then even on spices such as the chili peppers and ginger. Then even on fruits. So this is how these mods look like when they develop on certain fruits. For example, the way they have developed on an orange fruit, this is how they look like. So these are the mods. Then they can also develop on bread. This is how they look when they develop on bread. Then when they develop on maize, and this is how they look like when they develop on the maize. So these mods, when they grow on these things like the maize, they produce the toxins. These toxins, which are known as the aflatoxins. So these aflatoxins are usually highly toxic and they are carcinogenic. Carcinogenic meaning they can also cause cancer. And there are four main types of these aflatoxins. So we have aflatoxin B1, which is the most toxic. Then we also have aflatoxin B2, aflatoxin G1, and aflatoxin G2. So when the exposure, so when you're exposed to these aflatoxins, you can get them they can enter in your body through three methods. So we have the first method, which is ingestion. So ingestion, this is where you're going to eat the food that is contaminated with this the mods. You eat the food that is contaminated with these same mods, then you ingest it, then it start producing these toxins, the aflatoxins. So for example, when you ingest the meal that was prepared from the maize that was contaminated with the mods, they are going to, when you ingest, they are going to start producing the toxins in the body. Then the other method is via inhalation of mod species. So you can inhale them during the time you are breathing in. So you can inhale, when you breathe in, they will enter into the body system via the system that is known as the respiratory system. So they will enter and then they will start affecting the airways, the lungs, and there they will produce these toxins. Then even via the skin contact. So when you come in contact with these the mods, when you come in contact with them, they will enter they will enter the skin, and then in the skin they will start producing these toxins. So what happens when these aflatoxins are produced in the body? What do they do? So what they do in the body is that they can cause liver damage. They cause liver damage whereby there will be inflammation, scarring, and even cancer in the liver. Then they can also cause cancer and the aflatoxin, they are known to be carcinogenic, meaning they cause cancer to organs like the liver, the kidney, and the colon. Then they can also cause immune system suppression. So they cause the immune system to become very low. And when the immune system becomes very low, the other infections, it will be very easy for you to get other infections. Infections like the respiratory infections like flu, the common cold, and this other infection, it will be very easy for you to get those infections. Then in mothers who are pregnant, this can cause birth defects. Birth defects in terms of the development of the organs. So the development of the organs in the fetus. So it will cause birth defects. Then the other thing is that it will cause respiratory issues, especially if they have been inhaled. They'll cause problems like bronchitis, asthma, and pneumonia. Then they can also cause the gastrointestinal problems, whereby you start having problems with the stomach, the intestines. So whereby this person will start having nausea, they'll start feeling as if they want to vomit, then at times they will even be vomiting, then they also have diarrhea, and even they also start experiencing abdominal pains. Then this can also cause neurological issues, such as they'll cause headaches, dizziness, confusion, and even memory problems. Then this can also cause reproductive problems. So reproductive problems whereby they'll cause some fertility problems, whereby there'll be reduced sperm quality and even hormone regulations that are involved in terms of the sperm production. Then they can also cause kidney damage. So this can cause kidney damage, whereby the aflatoxins, they'll cause inflammation, scarring, and disease to the kidney. Then they can also cause malnutrition. So they'll cause malnutrition because of interfering with the intestines, which are involved in absorption of the nutrients that you have consumed. So they will cause the alteration in terms of absorption of these nutrients, which are supposed to be absorbed in the body. Then they'll cause alteration, whereby these nutrients, they will no longer be absorbed in the body. The person not receive enough of these nutrients, and then this leads to malnutrition in this person. So this is the brief explanation that we can give you on the aflatoxins. Thank you very much.